Assalamu alaikum. Hajj is the journey of a lifetime, one of the greatest acts of worship that every Muslim dreams of completing. As we prepare for the 2026 Hajj season, it's important to know the correct and official way to register. In this video, brought to you by Adam Travel, we will guide you step by step on how to register through the official Nusuk platform so you can focus on your spiritual journey with peace of mind. It's important that Hujjaj registers through Nusuk Hajj, the official platform of the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Hujjaj from 122 countries, including the United States, are required to create their account and purchase their package directly through this website. For the best experience, complete your application on a computer because the website does not have a mobile version. And remember, the Nusuk Hajj website is different from the Nusuk app that's used for Umrah and Rauda bookings. Okay, so let's begin. First, you will be needing to access the official website of the Nusuk, which is hajj.nusuk.sa. If you had already created an account last year in 2025, your old account will still work for the 2026 Hajj season. However, due to the updates in the Nusuk website, you will have to start from the beginning as old data has been removed from accounts. If you still wish to use your old email and password, you can simply press on Login. It will take you to the login page and you can enter your email and password. In case you forgot your password, you can press on Forget Password and it will reset your password. To create a new account, you can simply scroll down and press on Start Registration. On the first page, it will require you to select your country of residence. For example, American pilgrims should be choosing United States of America. Make sure you check the acknowledgement box for your country selection. Then, you're going to be entering your email address. Be careful here because this email will receive a one-time password, also known as OTP, every time you log into Nusuk. After confirming the acknowledgement and security check, please press on Create an account, then you will receive the OTP. Now, enter the 6-digit OTP that has been sent to your email. After that, you will set a password that meets the Nusuk requirements shown on the page. The system will indicate in red or green whether your password matches the condition. Once that's done, your account is officially created. Log in again using your email and password and the latest OTP that will be sent to your email from Nusuk. The first thing you will need to do inside your account is upload your passport and a personal photo. This step confuses many people, so let's break it down carefully. All images must be uploaded in JPEG format or PNG. Other file types like PDF or Word will not work. For your passport, upload only the page with your picture and personal details. For your personal photo, the background must be white. If you are not applying with a US passport, you will also need to upload a proof of residency such as visa or green card. The images must also meet specific size requirement. Passport and residency documents should be 800 in 400 pixels. Personal photo should be 200 in 200 pixels. If you are not sure about the size of your images, don't worry. You can easily use an online image resizer. We will leave a link for you in the description below. Simply press on Select Images and select your desired photo. For now, we're gonna be using the passport photo. On most tools, you will need to uncheck the log aspect ratio so that the dimensions are exact. For the passport, it should be 800 in 400. After that, you can press on export and then you can download your photo to your computer. Repeat the same steps for your personal photo, but instead the dimensions should be 200 in 200. Then again, you're gonna press on export and download. Now you can upload your photos to your account on Nusuk. Once uploaded, the system will try to read your passport details automatically. If it can't, you will see a pop-up alert like the one you're seeing on the screen. Don't worry, this just means you will need to manually type in your passport information on the next page. If the system is able to read it, then the upload is complete with no issue. Now we're gonna just press OK and move on to the next step. If you're entering the details manually, make sure they match your passport. Only the fields marked with a red asterisk are required. If the system has already added your information automatically, please double check that all the information are matching your passport. And don't forget to click the acknowledgement boxes at the bottom before submitting this section. Now click on Submit and confirm the submission. In this section, you will be required to enter your personal details, including your phone number, your social status, and address. Both the street and home address should be entered with the same information. For the PO box entry, since many people don't have one, you can simply enter not applicable. You will also need to select the closest Saudi embassy to your location. The form also asks for your occupation details. If you work privately or if you are self-employed, you can simply choose private. But if you work for the government, please select on government. You will also be asked about your arrival details. These can just be estimates. For example, entering 20 to 14 days as your expected days of stay. And since your flight number is not known yet, you can simply enter to be discussed. Next are the personal history questions. These include any previous Saudi visas you have held, whether you have family living in the kingdom, if you hold multiple citizenship or live in a country different from your nationality, and your international travel history over the past 6 months. For these questions, you need to read them very carefully and answer them according to your circumstances. Same thing when it comes to the next page, as it will ask you for some security and background checks, criminal history and violations if happened. For the next page, you will be answering some questions about your health, whether you had an operation before, have any disease, have any illness, or allergies. Please read them carefully and make sure to answer them according to your health circumstances. You will also need to type in your blood type. Next, you will reach the summary page. Carefully review all of your information here. If you have no family traveling with you, simply check the acknowledgement boxes and submit your application. If you do have family members going with you, you can add them on this stage. To add family, click the option to include them. Each person must have their own email address, passports, personal photo, and full details. You can add up to 8 family members to your account. Each one must be verified separately. Once everything is reviewed and correct, tick the acknowledgement boxes and click the green Submit button. Your application is now submitted. You will receive an email confirmation and Nusuk will review your application. Verification may take several weeks, so don't worry if you don't hear back right away. You can check your application status anytime by logging in, clicking your profile, and viewing the status in the top corner. If you made a mistake, you can use the edit button to correct it. Family members' application can also be managed from the My Family section on the left-hand menu. That's it. You have successfully completed your registration for Hajj 2026 on Nusuk. Thank you for watching.